What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I guess we'll never fix the straw problem. Apparently, you can't make straws out of anything but plastic. Well, that ain't true. And here is a living, breathing proof of this. I actually kind of really like these things because, sometimes people want straws and I don't stock like a box of them in the house. I ain't a carnival. Looks like you get this kind of like velour, like drawstring pouch to keep these bad boys, and you can hear them because they are metal. So here's what we get in this little bad boy package. Is a bunch of straws, and look at this. I'm already kind of liking these because they're really, really light, and they're actually quite a bit smaller in diameter than some of the other straws, so they seem much more straw-like to me. Now, what's interesting about these is they have kind of a rolled end here, as you can see right there, and so and then they have kind of more of a cut end on this side. There's a little bit of some striping right here for whatever reason, and not only that, here's kind of your typical long straw. You get a couple of those. Nope, you get even a longer one, so you get kind of a regular length straw, but I feel like that's even a little long. Get a long one for that big gulp ears. Then you get this straw right here, which is a second long one. And then, here's the other shorter one. And then you get these hockey sticks. They're not hockey sticks at all. They are actually kind of bendy straws. And you can see you get 2 of the long and 2 of the short here. And so these bended ones just have, I'd probably call it like a 40-degree, 35-degree kick in them. And the rounded edge is where, again, you're going to suck on these bad boys. And then this end will go into your beverage. And they're really great because, like I said, you've got 8 straws here, which is probably going to satisfy most of your needs when you need straws. If kids need them or you're trying to avoid running the coffee over your teeth to stain your teeth or whatever, and you're drinking a Moscow Mule or something like that, you can absolutely use a straw, and you can even have it angled forward towards you. So that's pretty clever. I'm actually really impressed with this, and it's a nice set. They're light, and you can, assuming they're stainless steel, you can machine wash them. But look at this. I would probably recommend just a quick hand wash, and you do get a little brush cleaner here, so you can push this sucker right in here, just like this. Clean this sucker up. Looks like it goes all the way through the end, and that's probably all it takes with some soapy water and then rinse it out. But pretty cool that you get the tools to clean it with too. So great way to have straws when you need them, kind of a different material, so you don't have to worry about creating a bunch of garbage or refuse, and you can always have straws on hand, for people that want them. Check it out. I'll put a link to these in the description. Peter Von Panda out.